215-213-374.
215.
213. 198 Bristol Ave. RP states that there's a male at that location that went down to the basement, grabbed a firearm, and was waving it in his face and his landlord.
Okay.
213, is it?
374 number on Bristol.
198 Bristol Ave.
Copy. I'll be on off.
Save.
216 is off. Just keep your clear, please. Oh, the subject's still on scene in the house.
Affirmative.
Keep the air clear. Next cruiser in. Grab beanbag, please.
213 outside.
374 210.
210.
Do we have the name and a phone number for the barricaded subject, and can we get everybody else out of the house?
At this time, the caller is
Occupied 2 times. 215, just set up a perimeter. I'm en route. Don't approach the house yet. Set up a perimeter, and we're going to try and get everybody else out of the house. Receive. Officer Murdoch, that car is occupied 2 times, right there. 210. Good.
They're working on getting 2 parties out of the house. Sounds like a male and female. They're going to be the RPs on this. They're going to be coming out of a bedroom. One of them's wearing black shorts.
We got 2 coming out of a vehicle, putting into custody for temporary.
Units out the front of the house. The caller hung up on us. He was described as just wearing black shorts. Is all we were able to get. 210 from 374.
Good.
We just advised if you're able to make contact with the 2 RPs, a male and female.
I'm still en route. Sergeant Jerry, what's the name on it? We have 2 detained, 2 out of the house.
The caller's first name was Abner. We did not have a name on the female who was his girlfriend.
Steve, I have Alessandra and Reggie detained. They're detaining 2 more currently.
Receive.
210, be advised, 4 more occupants inside the house. Total of 4 detained.
Receive.
4 detained or 4 more inside the house? Both. 4 detained and 4 more inside the house. Total of 8. Copy that.
Dean here. I'm talking with the RP. Inside the living room.
374, we get a couple more cruisers for effective perimeter. That would be great. 210 to all available BPD cruisers. Respond to Bristol Ave, please. 210 going off.
Next units that come down Suffolk and around. Don't come straight down Bristol.
237 Bristol. 216, you need to back your cruiser up away from the house, please. Get further away down the street. 238 send Suffolk to the rear. 210 from 215. I just kind of need an officer in the back. There's nobody back there right now. There's a boat on the side here with good cover. Okay, what is your position right now in the house? The Honda. 216, please get in your cruiser. Drive it past the 2-3 corner of the house and watch the back side of the house if you can from behind your cruiser, behind cover. 216. Thank you. 213, can you see if we can get additional information for that subject in the basement? Name, possibly a phone number if they have it.
Right now the name is Gail. Portuguese male wearing all black handcuffs.
Received. Do we know if there's still people inside the house?
I believe there's 5 individuals still left inside the house.
374 210.
210.
Yeah, he's supposedly still last known in the living room in possession of a handgun, Brazilian-speaking male. Can we activate the SWAT team, please? And maybe a Portuguese interpreter if we can go in.
Receive. 210, 213.
Go for 210.
Last known location, he fled to the basement and locked himself into a room.
Receive.
213. It's going to be the boyfriend of April, first name Gail.
Receive, thank you. 213 210. Can you see if you can get some names of the other occupants that are still inside the house and see if we can get some phone numbers for them so we can start calling them and trying to get them to exit?
Receive.
215 from 210. Who do you have with you behind that car? Alessandra DeVries and Reggie Winbush. 218 is going to be coming up behind you in just a few minutes. When he gets there with his cruiser, let's evacuate them from in front of the house, please. 2C8's there as well. Stoner, if you can get them behind 218 over there. Do they have any info for anybody inside the house, names, phone numbers, or anything? Stand by. 216 from 210. Good. Do you have a good view of that 2-3 corner of that house from where you are? Affirmative. Looking at the back door. Okay, just make sure you have appropriate cover. they confirming the story about the signal 140?
Negative. They were pulling up as their call came in.
Received.
10 from 213.
Good.
My victim over here at the firearm pointed at her, saying there's 5 other people in the house. Landlord named Larry, April female named Becky, female named Ty, and then Gail, the male with the firearm.
Received, thank you. Dispatch 3740, did you copy that?
Affirmative. 10-213. I have a phone number for the landlord.
213 from 210. Can you secure them maybe in a cruiser and then come up here with your phone, please? One at the front door. Okay, we have other occupants of the house. We got some other occupants of the house that are voluntarily coming out. They say they're okay. We're going to have them come over here. 374 210.
210.
Just an update. So we believe the suspect is still in the basement. Have established phone communications with the residents of the house. We're having them evacuate one at a time. There are 2 more people in there. They're getting ready to come out now. And the house will be secure.
Received.
Perimeter units, 2 more coming out. Stand by. I'll make the calls. Either 215 or how about 215? Can you using that yard for cover? Can you make your way this way, please? We need to separate some of these witnesses here. Sure. 374 210.
210.
We believe we have all of the inhabitants of this house that we know of out of the house. However, the 2 RPs are saying that the RP is still, the suspect is still in the basement. This is 231.
231.
You put CAD 283 231. I'm on scene.
See.
374 210.
210.
Can we page off for a command post operator? We have some people we need to stay warm down here. How about a drone operator, please? And a K9, please.
210. I spoke with HFD. They're going to handle with the patrons outside, bring them to HYCC in their van. We got command posts being paged out. We'll work on drones.
Excellent, thank you.
210 from 901. All those units are en route.
Excellent, LT, thank you very much.
210, drone is in 237. Repeat, drone's in 237.
Copy that. Please just hold your position on the perimeter right now. Perimeter units from 210. The suspect inside the house, the only name we have is Gail. He exits the house at some point. His name is Gail if you need to communicate with him. 218 from 210. Do you still have those other 2 parties that showed up in the car with you?
238 to the rear of it, 218. I have the subject.
Great, Wayne, thank you. Just make sure they don't leave, please.
I have 1 each secured, 218 and 238.
Perfect, thank you. 213 or 215 from 210. Can you try to find out from any of the witnesses or the victims that you have if the suspect up here has a car or access to a car?
210 from 238. If female unit states he does not.
Copy states the suspect does not have a vehicle, thank you.
The victim's over here saying no vehicle as well.
Great, thank you.
Officer Palmer, 231. Good. Operators are going to come and take the one side of the house. Once they're in place, I'll advise you can back your cruiser right up to us. Thank you. Officer Mirek, 231. Good. What's the best point of access for operators to approach to your position?
Corner by 237, 250.
Receive. Officer Roque, 231.
Good.
Operators will come up the street behind you to relieve you.
Receive. Suspect does not have a vehicle license.
Where do you go down this way?
Move this?
Yeah, where did you want it?
I don't know. Apparently we're gonna wait for the cat. Come up here and then
You're gonna take it. Okay. So I gotta pick up this stuff. What up?
making entry. They're gonna make entry. The time. Cute dog right there. Looks like a platoon.